Hello, I'm going to show you how to remove this warning. So the reason it's showing up is because this kind of warning indicates that if in case you have a very big database, which is maybe probably 300 or like below the limit of Power Apps, which is maximum is 2000, there might be issue in terms of loading data. So in order for you to try to remove this, let's do it one by one. So for the combo box, so as you can see, you can search stuff in here. So this is related really on the search function because as what I mentioned in the reply earlier, the the thing that you just need to change is just this primary text and nothing else. So that is our uh that is what we did. So this one you either disable this one. So when I disable the search, it's gonna go like that, or we will do collections. So you should search more about collections because it's one of the ways to make your app load faster, especially if you have a very big data set. Next one, I will show collection because for this one to so that we can get rid of this, we need to start a collection. So to load a collection, it means like we're transferring our data from SharePoint to a temporary memory in Power Apps so that every time we make searches or changes to the app, it doesn't keep on talking to the storage, which will cause delay because Power Apps will start to query SharePoint, and then if SharePoint is busy, it takes a while for it to reply, which might cause disruption. So one way to do collection is when your app loads, but for this case, uh, we can also add in screen 2, like whenever screen 2 is visible, you will do the collection initialization. So let's do both. Either uh, here, let's have it here, collect. So this command, what it does is when app parks open, we're gonna create a um collection of company, which is gonna be company here. Okay, sorry, it should be added on start. So look at this one, this property. This is where you should put it. And then another one would be all article. So once we've done that, we just simulate it and on start. So what this it does is it just copies the company data to the collection name call company and then the articles to the call article. So I'm doing another run again because I made a mistake earlier. Then once done, so instead of using company, we will be using call company. So to do that here, I'm gonna replace this with call company. And then in here as well, I'm gonna replace this with call article. And that is it. So as you can see, we don't have any more those yellow and then like yellow warning. And here uh, in this section, even if we turn on search, it will not turn yellow. So if I run this, let's say I only do A, B. So this one is not directly live with SharePoint already. So if in case what you do is you have an update of data in here. So let's say we have article T to comp B, then execute. So we have like 4 articles now. So when we select comp B, it should be 4. So it won't immediately reflect in here. So usually what we do, we click on the articles and then refresh. So they should try to retrieve the data. Let's do one more just in case. So after that, once you played it, it will not automatically update. What you have to do is you go back to the screens and remember to run the clear collect command, like here, the clear collect commands, and on start. So this will definitely have company B. So let's try to select company B. So you see we have already A, B, C, D. And one more thing, let's say you're tired of making this one. You can insert a button and then you can name it however you want so that while developing, you have a quick go-to when you want to refresh the data. So instead of clicking here, you can just press Alt then click button to refresh it. It's gonna refresh the data. But before you do the button, make sure that you update the source first, which is the article. Another way to do refreshing is just click here and then start adding the refresh code and articles. Post that, and then that's it. And let's try making another one. Edit the set preview. Then go here. So let's play. So remember we add E in here. Then refresh. So E automatic. So what the refresh command does is it's simulating the refresh of this. Instead of clicking this, just have this shown. You can also add refresh company if you made additional companies. And then this to code is trying to transfer the company data to a temporary all company so that your data loads faster. So that's how you remove those delegation warnings.